Hi guys, it's me and I'm 20 now, weirdly enough. So, we're starting with a new video, new era of hopefully me being consistent. That's the goal. Let's start with our video. Coca Cola, please sponsor us. Amazing! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shreya Maheshwari and this is me documenting my life. Let's watch this pretty sunset from here while we talk about how it feels like being 20. Honestly, it's not what I expected this of. This is very different, something I did not expect at all. Like, I was very excited to be 20. I am completing 2 decades, 2 freaking decades of my life, which is insane. I'm not going to be a teen anymore, and I am kind of sad about that because I love being a teen. I love being a child. I'm still going to be a child, but I don't know, bro. It is so weird turning 20. And honestly, this was kind of sad as well because I'd planned so much and nothing went with the plan. Like, nothing went along with the plan. But, like it said, कि अगर मन का हो तो अच्छा, नहीं भी हो तो और अच्छा. Gonna keep our mindset positive. But today, I have this box with me. A little appreciation for the nails. Shout out to Moonclaws, great Instagram store. These are customized for my nails. Like, I give her measurements and it's like exactly my nail size. Crazy. It's been 2 days. Crazy. I have this box with me right now because what we're gonna do is I have asked some really close people from my life to give me days, and I have to complete those days before I turn 21 next year. These are not like 21 days or anything, it's just the people that I'm close to. We'll shake this up a little bit. We have the first day. Also, I will not speak out the names. I've actually written the names as well who has given me this, but I'm not gonna say the name out loud. Apply somewhere out of league, audition, compete, pitch a big idea, feel rejection, process it, grow. I'm a person who does have fear of failure, and this exactly helps me kind of overcome it because applying somewhere out of league, so you're kind of signing yourself up for rejection. I genuinely believe failures help you to grow more than wins do. Rejection is redirection, so we're gonna go with that. We're gonna go do that, and I'm gonna film this for you. So, yes, moving up with the next one. 24 hours of no communication, no meetups, no phone calls, no social media. You can tell people you won't be available though. So, this is something I genuinely need. I feel all of us need to have those days where we are completely offline, we are out of touch. That entire digital detox is very, very much important. So, I wouldn't really be using my phone to film this. I have a different camera that I'll be using to film this. I might make this a little habit. Yes, I will shoot this properly. On to the next one. Take a picture once a week which made you smile genuinely, not a mandatory selfie, but will be reviewed by me on your next birthday. That's like a lot of selfies to this person who has written this if you're watching it. Will you have the time by the next birthday to review all of these pictures? Also, will you remember it? I don't know. But I will make sure to do it. And I think I will keep posting it, make a highlight on my Instagram because I can't really update it on my YouTube. So, yeah. And I guess this person has written this because this person is close to me as well because this birthday has been kind of very sad. I had planned exactly how I wanted my birthday to look like. I had 2 trips planned, both of them cancelled. Just everything that I had planned, how I wanted to be, didn't really go. Like, nothing went exactly with the plan. On my birthday, we actually went out to this Asian place, had ramen. The entire day, I've been happiest eating that ramen. I'm not even kidding you. Kuraku, Bandra, such a good place, such homely feeling. Genuinely the happiest around that time. So yeah, thank you for doing this, and I will keep you updated. On to the next one. Start your own workshop. It's very exciting. It's very scary as well. Like, I do want to do it. Like, we recently did 12 workshops. I did with K-pop dance crew named We Unite. We did this 12 workshop camp kind of vibe. And it was fun. We had genuinely so much fun, and I learned so much. And kind of built that confidence that I can take a workshop, and this just genuinely excites me to do it because I do want to do it. Because I was kind of scared because again, fear of failure. What if no one shows up? Whatever, whatever. On to the next one. Within a year, create work so good that someone from another country invites you and covers your entire stay. This is again career related. It's not specified what field, anything you wanna try. You never know. It's an entire year. You could try something new and it might work out. But yeah, being invited to another country with your entire stay being sponsored. Okay. I wanna try it. I wanna do it. I wanna give it my all and make it this like a goal setting scenario. And I'm like, I have to do this because I committed myself to this. This is a proof that I did. Okay, we have got another one. A trip with just both of us, but you plan and lead. I follow you. The trip is not specified about the days, the place, or whatever. So basically, I have to plan everything. But to the person who has written this, let me ask you this: if you're watching this, are you even free to go out with me? Like we haven't met in a year and a half, and we're planning a trip. I mean, I will plan it, but will you come? I will plan it. I will make sure you come. It's gonna be so fun. I actually wanted to go on a trip since two of my trips got cancelled this year. Also, one of those trips was with this person, was like around this person. To the next one. You have to style in a completely different way you never styled before and go on a solo date happily. And record yourself simultaneously, and while doing all this, you need to ask a random stranger to rate your look slash vibe out of 10. Record all this. Social anxiety at its peak. I have to dress as someone that I've never have. Okay, styled, done. Go out on a solo date. So I'm supposed to be embarrassed alone and then ask a stranger how my look or slash vibe is. It's funny how it said solo date happily. Maybe this is a great way of trying a new style, which I never thought I'll be in. The stranger part, I mean, if I look at it this way, that it can be embarrassing, someone might not rate me good. What if I look at it with the way that maybe I meet someone who matches my vibe? It will be so fun. I can actually end up being friends with a stranger at this point. Okay. Weigh 48 kgs before 21 and not just all fat but muscles too. This is going to take a lot because in my entire life of being 19, like 20 now, I have never weighed over 25, 26. Like max I remember is 25. I think I've been 26 somewhere, but I've never crossed 26. But like I'm presently at 22, 23. I have to plan this entire 12 months. I mean, for some it will like 48. Oh my god, dude! I've never weighed 48 kgs ever in my life, so it's not going to be easy at all. I think this is our last one. Take a solo trip for at least 2 to 3 days, not near Bombay or Udaipur, but somewhere else. It's a life changing experience. You get some different confidence. Wow. I kind of love this one. This is my favorite because I genuinely want to go on a solo trip. I think my first solo trip by my own self would have been somewhere near Udaipur or Bombay because it's easier, but like not somewhere near either of the places that I'm comfortable around. It's going to be, I'm actually looking forward to this and I'm going to plan this soon, very soon. I'm hoping, and I kind of did want to do it. Like I have put this solo date kind of thing on my vision board as well, about which I am planned a video which will be coming out very soon about a vision board, about my 2026 vision board, about my 25, everything. We'll be discussing about vision boards, goals, everything. But yeah, this kind of aligns with that as well, and I'm so grateful for everybody who has put so much time and effort to think and give all of these to me. I genuinely appreciate it so much and I'm so excited. Thank you for getting me out of my comfort zone and trying something new. Also, I genuinely love that none of them are very concentric towards one single thing. It's not just about career, it's not just about fun things, it's not just about self-care. And yeah, I think we have completed all of these goals days that I have to do by the next year, and I am so excited for all of this. So I received two of these days a little later than the others, so I couldn't really shoot them. So I'm putting them here. So starting with the first one, it is, so my dare for you is that in the upcoming year before your next birthday, for 30 to 35 days, you'll follow a strict sleep, plus food schedule where you plan all 3 meals of the day and making sure they're healthy with no levy because you can't do this for shit. Apart from this, you'll commit to doing one activity daily, that is getting 30 rejections in 30 days. You'll have to ask people for a favor, a help, a question, something which some people might say yes and might say no. Most importantly, you'll document all of this. So these are like 2 days combined, and let me tell you, a little difficult from me because sleep schedule and food schedule, mine are not the best, let's be honest. So I have to work on those, and I'm not gonna be doing them this month. I am so sorry. But yeah, I want to actually put a lot of mind into this and make sure that all of these days are well short and well executed. So I'm gonna take my time, but yes, thank you so much for this. Next is write 2 handwritten letters, one to past Shreya and one to the future one. Talk about what challenges you've been facing, what she wants to do, what challenged you over the time. Okay, this is something I used to do as a kid as well. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not gonna say with this intention of talking about who I'm presently am and who I wanna be, but more like something reminding myself of what my younger self was going through. I actually had a letter that I had written to myself and I've kind of shot it, but apparently the mic was off during that time. So I have the clips, but not the audio to that. So I couldn't really put that here, but yeah, I might share that on my Instagram stories. But yeah, thank you for this, and I will actually write it because I think my future self will look back onto it with so much pride, with how much this 19-year-old self had handled. And with that, we are actually done with the video. And thank you so much to everyone who's watching, whoever sent the dares. It means so much. All my love, thank you, and Happy New Year!